Another adjustment you can make to text will involve case. For example, paragraphs with sentences will use sentence case where the first word is capitalized. Sometimes you want everything to be lowercase, in other words, no capitals. In other occasions, you want all capitals, known as uppercase. Let's begin with our title at the top. We'll move into the left margin and click once to select the first line, Essential Veggie Recipes for the. All right, from here, you'll notice we have that little pop-up with formatting options, but there's nothing dealing with case here. We need to go to our ribbon where we see an extra button, and if you click that drop-down, you can change case to a number of different choices. Right now, we're using something where we're seeing pretty much every word is capitalized, except for the two words at the end of this line, for the. If we hover over capitalize each word and click, you'll notice that for and the are now capitalized as well, and it kind of matches. Now let's select both lines. We'll click and drag from the first line down to the second while in the left-hand margin and go back to the Change Case drop-down. This time, let's choose lowercase. Well, you can see what happens there. First of all, we're seeing some autocorrect things going on, indicating we have some issues in our document, and it really doesn't look right, doesn't look formal. Let's go back to the drop-down with our content still selected and choose uppercase. That might be more appropriate. It'll actually work for a title. Also from the drop-down, you'll notice capitalize each word, so we can go back to that if we prefer that option. I'm going to go with uppercase. All right, let's scroll down a little bit further now into our second page, Dear Customer, where it says thanks again for your patronage. This happens quite often where you forget that you have the caps lock key on. We'll just leave a couple of spaces and turn your caps lock key on. Type in, "We really appreciate it," just as you would as you were typing a sentence. So Shift and the W, and you'll notice something happens. It actually gets corrected for you. It's an autocorrect option that recognizes you've accidentally turned the caps lock key on. So although the caps lock key, if you look at your keyboard, is still on, it's fixed for you. But on those occasions where it's not, you have the ability to go up here to the drop down for Change Case and toggle, which will change everything around for you. So that's just a quick look at how we change case for our documents here in Word 2013.